Here we've got hammer iron free, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open your camera app, it's right here, then tap on the settings icon, and here you will notice self timer, so just click here and pick 2 or 10 seconds delay. So I will pick 10 seconds delay, and now you can smoothly grab a picture with 10 seconds delay just by tapping on the camera shutter. As you can see at first, there will be the countdown, and afterwards you will be able to grab a photo, so you can prepare for it pretty quickly, pretty easily, and then just tap on the settings again, pick self timer, and you can either go to the 2 seconds delay or you can turn self timer totally. So let me pick disabled, and now as you can see, camera timer is off and you can grab a picture right after you click. And this is it, that would be all. So you can use camera timer in your hammer iron free. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.